A group of local families has made it their mission to send as many veterans on the Kansas honor flight to Washington, D.C. as they can. They're doing it by baking bread. KAKE's Wray explains their mission and how you can get involved.
Almost everyone knows someone who's served in the military, but a few local families want to honor the veterans in their family in an unconventional way.
It's super fun, like baking and helping the veterans.
Volunteers as young as 4 years old bake 6 varieties of bread to be sold for the Kansas honor flight. Honor flights take veterans on a completely free trip to Washington, D.C. to visit their war memorials.
I like giving back to the people that served in the Air Force.
We wanted to kind of teach our children and our grandchildren to give back and to be a part of the community as well. So we started doing the bread making last year, and last year we raised $4,000, and so we were able to send 4 veterans on a trip of their lifetime.
Last year they sold more than 420 loaves of bread, but this year they're hoping to sell even more. So far this year, they've used more than 1,000 bananas, 100 pounds of flour, and 75 pounds of sugar during this massive baking challenge.
You have to stay on track and make sure you have every ingredient in and just have fun while doing it.
They've already sold 500 loaves, but they're still taking orders until March 17th.
It's just fantastic to see the enthusiasm in the kids and their parents also, and it just goes over really well. It's just a great thing.
This is something we would like to continue to do every year, to be able to give back every year and keep our children involved in it. Maybe eventually they'll take over for us and they'll continue this mission.
The kids volunteer for a very specific reason.
Because it makes my home happy.
Wray, KAKE News, on your side.
Makes me hungry. They're still taking orders for bread through March 17th. If you're interested in buying a loaf to support the Kansas honor flight, you can call Candace. The number is right there on your screen, or you can find it at our website, kake.com.